Welcome back, children. I hope you all are fine. Today, I will revise with you the chapters which we have done in the past few weeks. That is, communication and transport, vehicles, sports personalities, types of houses, monuments, festivals of India. So, let's revise these chapters. What is a communication? Communication means transferring information from one place to another or from one person to another. Communication is used to talk or to convey a message. For example, telephone, mobile phone, fax machine, letters, computers, newspapers, televisions, radio, etc. This all provide us with information, news, isn't it? Now, what is transport? Transport is a means to travel from one place to another. Goods are also carried using transport. There are various means of transport. Means of transport moves on water, air, and land. Few examples of means of land transport are motorcycle, car, bus, train, etc. Human beings are very intelligent and find out new ways to communicate and reach each other through transport and vehicles. So, children, what are vehicles? Vehicles are used to transport people and cargo between places. Vehicles are used on land, air, and water in different modes. What is an internet? The internet is a network or a system that connects millions of computers all around the world. The internet can be used via tablet, computers, and most cell phones and televisions. It is very fast. What is a helicopter? A helicopter is a kind of flying machine or aircraft. A helicopter flies high in the sky. What is an aeroplane? An aeroplane are fixed wing aircraft that go through the air by engines. They are the faster means of transportation. They are used for transportation, recreation, research, and military purposes. What is a spaceship? A spacecraft is a vehicle that can carry people and cargo beyond the Earth's atmosphere through space to other planetary bodies. What is an electronic mail, children? It is an internet service that allows those people who have an email address to send and receive electronic letters. They are like postal letters, but the advantage is that they are delivered much faster when we are sending it for long distances and are free of cost. What is a station? A station is a place on a railway station where trains regularly stop so that passenger can get on or off. What is an airport? An airport is a place where airplanes takes off and land. Camels are called sheep of the desert because they carry very big loads from one side of the desert to the other. They can go like this without water for 3 weeks. What is a toga? A toga is a light horse drawn two-wheeled service used in India. Communication methods include printing, telephone, radio, television, and computer. Now, children, next move to the next exercise for revision. Who are sports personalities? Sports personalities are people who excel in some sport, sometimes become popular. Example, MS Dhoni is a famous cricketer. Now, Sachin Tendulkar is a former international cricketer from India and a former captain of Indian national team. He is regarded as one of the greatest batsmen in the history of cricket. He received the Arjuna Award also. Now, next, Saina Nehwal. She is an Indian professional badminton singles player. She became the only female player from India and overall the second Indian player. Vishwanath Anand is an Indian chess grandmaster and former world chess champion. He became the first grandmaster from India in 1988. Abhinav Bindre is an Indian businessman and retired sports shooter. He is an Indian only individual Olympic gold medalist. Baichung Bhutia is a famous Indian professional footballer who played as a striker. He is the torch bearer of Indian football in the international arena. Karnam Malleshwari, she is a retired Indian weightlifter. She is the first Indian woman to win a medal at Olympics. Leander Paes, he is born on 17th June 1973. He is an Indian professional player. He is considered as one of the greatest doubles played in the history of their sport. Jyotinder Singh Randhawa is an Indian professional golfer. He was ranked on the top 100 of the official world golf ranking. Now children, let's move to the revision of types of houses. There are different types of houses. Most of them are made of concrete, wood and iron. Some of them are made of stone, mud, straw or bamboo. Let's discuss few of them. Tree house. A tree house is a platform or building constructed around or among the trunk or branches of few trees. Tree houses can be used for recreation, workspace, habitation and observation. What is a space station? The space station is called orbital station. It orbits around the Earth. It is a large spacecraft or man-made station in space. What is an igloo? An igloo is a shelter made from blocks of snow placed on the top of each other, which is often in a semicircular shape. They are used in winter as temporary shelters by hunters. What is a caravan? A caravan is used by people who do not live permanently at a place. They travel in search of wood or job. It is a house on wheels. Farmhouse. A farmhouse is a building or a house attached to a farm. Houseboat. A houseboat is a boat where someone can live. It can be used to live or to spend a relaxing time over the waters. Now we'll revise monuments. What is a monument? A monument is a type of structure, that of a building, stone, or a statue made to keep alive the memory of a person or event. India is one of the beautiful countries in the world and is best known for its colorful culture and fascinating heritage. Its great monuments act as a strong pillars of the rich and deep history that India possesses. There are hundreds of monuments across the country. Among them, few top monuments in India are Taj Mahal, Hawa Mahal, Lotus Temple, Mysore Palace, Sanchi Stupa, Qutub Minar, Victoria Memorial, Gateway of India, etc. The Taj Mahal is a white marble mausoleum built by the 17th century Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. The Mahal was built in the loving memory of the emperor's beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. The Dilwara temples are a group of Svetambara Jain temples. It is the most beautiful pilgrimage site. The Ajanta caves are 30 rock-cut Buddhist cave monuments in Aurangabad district of Maharashtra, state of India. It is one of the major tourist attractions of Maharashtra. The Gateway of India is a monument in Mumbai. It is situated on the waterfront in South Mumbai. The Rashtrapati Bhavan is an official residence of the President of India, located at the western end of Rajpath in New Delhi, India. The Victoria Memorial is a large marble building in Kolkata, West Bengal, India. It is dedicated to the memory of Queen Victoria. Now let's revise festivals. India is a land of festivals. These Indian festivals bind all Indians together of different caste, religion, etc. There is no discrimination while celebration. Some of the important festivals are Diwali, Eid, Holi, Christmas, Guru Nanak Jayanti, and many more. Diwali is the festival of lights. During this festival, people light up their houses and shops with diyas and candles. They worship the Lord Ganesha for good welfare and prosperity, and Goddess Lakshmi for wealth and wisdom. Diwali symbolizes the victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. Eid is also called the festival of breaking the fast. It is a religious holiday celebrated by Muslims. Christmas is a festival to celebrate the birth of Jesus. A Christmas tree is also decorated. Holi is the festival of colors. It is a day when people forgive and forget enmity or any differences with someone and meet each other with joy and happiness. Now children, I am going to tell you few questions which are very easy. You will read them properly, listen them properly, and then you will write the answers in your copy. Question 1. What is a house built on farm called? Question 2. Where is Dilwara temples situated? Question 3. Name a retired sports shooter. Question 4. Which award is given for the best performance by sports person? Question 5. Which is the faster means of transportation? Question 6. Name the festival celebrated for brothers and sisters. Question 7. What is Aurangabad famous for? Question 8. Name a water transport. Isn't all the questions easy, children? So you solve it in your copy. Thank you, children.